Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel your Notion AI or Notion Plus subscription. You generally need to downgrade your plan to the free tier through the Notion website on a desktop or web browser. You cannot manage billing settings within the desktop or mobile apps themselves, except for subscriptions made via Apple's App Store or Google's Play Store. This method works for subscription purchase directly through the Notion website. So all you need to do is open a web browser on desktop or mobile and log in into your Notion account. Go to settings in the left-hand sidebar, click on the settings and member. Then in the settings window that appears, click on billing from the left-hand menu. Locate your current plan details and click the Change Plan button. Choose the free plan option from the list of available plans. Follow the prompts, provide feedback if asked, and click Downgrade to confirm your cancellation. Your paid plan will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle and you will not be charged again. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.